Hello friends, welcome to Logical Programming. In this video, we are going to create this image into this image using only 2 lines of Python code. You can look it both images looks like very similar, and you can impress to your someone favorite or loved ones. So go to simply I am using here PyCharm editor and simply create a new project and go to terminal and simply write here one command that pip install pyhotkit. I am already installed it, so this import package import pyhotkit, and here simply write pyhotkit dot images to an ASCII art and simply give here location of image. You can paste this image in this. I have already pasted this in location of this file, and you can go simply click here image or project file, and you will be get here option show on explorer. You will be get there, and next here and location, and simply write here name that you want to convert that file into. Simply write here, I'm writing here girl.txt, and simply run this file, and you will be get here, and you will be see here this file now created. You can see now time, and if you open this image, it looks like this, and check out this image also. Both are looking very similar, so you can impress your loved ones. So thanks for watching, and if you like this video, you can like video and comment if you getting any problem, and you can also subscribe to our channel Logical Programming. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.